Hey, do you ever have troubles backing up to your travel trailer? Well, if so, you need one of these, a backup camera. Check this out. You just put it on the back of your van or via tow vehicle, turn on the button once, and you're good for a week. In your vehicle, you're gonna mount your screen and plug in the power. Turn it on, and within a few seconds, it'll connect right to it. I can see my ball there, and I'm just gonna back right up to the trailer. Bam-o. And look at that. Right where we need it. Yep, go ahead, put her down. That little DoHonest camera is absolutely amazing. Everybody needs one. It's a quick and easy fix. I'll show you the box here. DoHonest wireless rear view camera system kit. Comes with the screen, the magnetic camera, and actually, if you reach out to them, they'll even send you a little magnetic strip to go on the back of your trailer. If you like, they give you a little extension cord and a few other little accessories. It's a great camera. If you're towing, I highly recommend it. It goes clear back all the way to the back here, and we're 52 feet long in our rig. When you're ready to hit the road, you can grab your camera, which is very well on there. It's coming off one hand. Man, that sucker is good. Go to the back of your trailer and throw it on.